ब्लैक में टिकट सेल हो रहे थे, which was shocking, you know. 100 का 20, 100 का 20, 100 का 500, 500 में ले लो 500. ऐसा गदर के लिए ये हो रहा था and I was like wow कि हमारे तो थिएटर्स बंद हो रहे थे and गदर आई और हम लोग को एक्स्ट्रा एम्प्लॉइज रखने पर. इफ यू नोटिस द क्लाइमैक्स वाज वेरी अब्रप्ट इन द फिल्म बिकॉज ये तालियां वाला सीन था थिएटर में कि सकीना आके तलवार से मार देती है. गदर माइनस तारा एंड सकीना इज जस्ट अ टाइटल.
I see, when I was reading all about your films, your journey has been, you have seen massive success, then there has been a break, then you have come back, again a massive success, then there has been a little break, then you have disappeared, then you come back in Thoda Pyar Thoda Magic and you come out from that pool. I'm like, oh my god, it's Amisha Patel back at the movies. I remember you were doing one of the most iconic seasons of Big Boss 2019.
Yes.
Where you were introduced as
Malkin
of the show. Great idea, whoever came up give that person a raise. And then you took a break, and then you come after a long years at the movies with Gadar 2.
Then COVID happened for 3 years.
COVID also happened, yes. And Gadar 2 became what it became. मुझे याद है वो जो लोग बोलते थे कि वो जो गोल्डन जुबली सिल्वर जुबली वो टर्म्स वापस से यूज हो रहे थे. Everyone was going.
Correct.
Right from the
and multiple times, right from bachcha to buzurg.
Yeah, and from every class, from the truck
drivers to the tractor drivers to the high class. There was the Gaiety Galaxy audience to the PVR Inox.
Yeah.
And in every theatre, even the upper class was singing and dancing.
Yeah,
it was like a festival, which was very heartening.
वो जो सीटी मारना होता है,
नोट फेंकना होता है, वो सब वापस आ गया. पुराने जमाने की जो फिल्म मेकिंग, फिल्म वॉचिंग की जो पैशन एंड एंथुजियाज्म एंड एक्साइटमेंट थी वो गदर ने वापस लेके आई, which was amazing. ब्लैक में टिकट सेल हो रहे थे, which was shocking, you know, क्योंकि you don't hear of black. Actually ब्लैक में टिकट सेल हो रहे थे and those पुराने जमाने 100 का 20, 100 का 20, 100 का 500, 500 में ले लो 500. ऐसा गदर के लिए ये हो रहा था and I was like wow.
भूल गए थे लोग.
हाँ बिल्कुल भूल गए थे. But गदर came like a festival. गदर came बॉलीवुड को, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को एकदम निकाल दिया जो ICU में था. नो दैट इज ऑल वी हर्ड. सनी एंड आई, ऑल वी हर्ड इज बॉलीवुड में ऑक्सीजन डाल दिया. आप लोग ने ICU से निकाल दिया. हम लोग बीमार थे, आप लोग ने हम लोग को कैंसर से खींच लिया, क्यों कर दिया. यू ऑल हिट द बॉल आउट ऑफ नॉट द पार्क बट द कंट्री. लाइक वाओ, यू नो. एंड इट फेल्ट सो गुड बिकॉज थिएटर्स बंद हो रहे थे ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री. सडनली जो ताले लगे हुए थे वो बूमिंग बिजनेस कर रहे थे. You know, it felt so good to hear these stories. Theatre owners told us, people from small जैसलमेर, जयपुर, यहाँ वहाँ, कि हमारे तो थिएटर्स बंद हो रहे थे एंड गदर आई और हम लोग को एक्स्ट्रा एम्प्लॉइज रखने पड़े क्योंकि इतना क्राउड आ रहा था उनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए और इतने दिनों के लिए, महीनों के लिए गदर चलने लगी. तो you know, suddenly there was a boom all across the country. And it felt so good to hear.
और बिना कुछ तिकड़म लगाए जो सब लोग फॉर्मूला 1 में डाल देते हैं.
नहीं, it was, that's why कहते हैं ना कि हिंदुस्तान की असली ब्लॉकबस्टर, वो टैग दिया था इस वजह से.
अभी हम बात कर रहे थे प्लान बी की. आप बोल रहे हो कि हमेशा एक प्लान ए अलग होना चाहिए, प्लान बी होना चाहिए. And you are very well educated. I'm sure you have a very nice understanding of money. So जब आप काम नहीं कर रहे थे, where you took a little break, COVID came, what were you doing exactly? क्योंकि I'm sure you have invested your money in the right zones and thriving. That's good. So if you can tell us about to our viewers, what is your relationship? How is your relationship with your money?
Well, I'm a spendthrift. For everybody, I mean,
people who know you.
For people who know me, मेरे हाथ में पैसा रहता नहीं है. But I also believe in I don't talk about it a lot, but I do a lot of charity and, you know, giving. I make sure people are taken care of. And I think more than investing in things, those blessings are my investment. And somehow God takes care of me. I don't want to harp on any investments or what people should do, what they should not do, because everyone has their own journey. But I think my biggest blessing is God and He keeps me safe.
Okay.
You know, I would just...
Old school simple thing. No cryptocurrency, nothing.
No. Not yet.
Okay. Coming back to Gadar 2, I was patiently listening to you when you were talking about what happened when the climax was changed and the main climax had you at the center stage, and it changed the movie, or where the movie became what it became, Touchwood. But you never spoke about it earlier. You were very dignified. I remember your interviews also. You guys did a lot of interviews.
Yeah.
Almost sabko mile interviews.
Bilkul.
Yeah. But now you are talking about it. What is your headspace right now with that?
Well, see, I never intended to talk about it at all. क्योंकि अनिल जी की फिल्म वनवास रिलीज हो रही थी, and unfortunately it didn't do well at the box office. तो कुछ फैंस ने उस टाइम ये जो वीडियो था और सर्कुलेट हो रहा था 3-4 साल से, I think they took it out and, you know, brought that up. And then when the interviews for Kaho Na Pyar Hai and, you know, the re-release and all started, and everyone was aware of the video circulating, and they had just one question, ki, Amisha, why did you keep such a dignified silence? You never spoke about it because this, what was done to you was so wrong. मैंने फिल्म उस बेसिस पे की थी कि I will be killing the villain. And that video where Anil Sharma ji is even telling me the dialogues I would be saying and how happy Sunny is to, you know, hand this to me. Because if you notice, the climax was very abrupt in the film. And a lot of people asked me this even after the film release, ki film to was very good, but why was the climax so abrupt? Even at that time, I kept quiet. I didn't say that actually because I was supposed to kill the villain. Na Sunny ne mara, na kisi ne mara, bas aise. It was just so weird. And I still chose to keep my silence. Anil Sharma's family, it always will be. But it was very upsetting because in that video, you can openly see the dialogues. You can hear the dialogues. You can see him narrating it to me. You can hear him saying Sunny is so excited about it. The writer Shaktiman ji is present. He is giving me my dialogues. My voice is there. And it was such a justifiable ending because ये revenge था सकीना का. उसके अब्बा जान अशरफ अली को फांसी पे डाल दिया था विलेन ने सनी, तारा सिंह और जीते की लाइफ, you know, jeopardy में डाली थी. And she was the one from Pakistan जिसके लिए they were actually rooting that अपनी लड़की वहां गई है. So it was justifiable, and everyone who heard the ending and saw this video, they were like, your film would have made hundreds of crores more and would have been even a bigger cult. Because ये तालियां वाला सीन था थिएटर में कि सकीना आके तलवार से मार देती, ये सीटी मार सीन था. Anyway, my director shot the scene without consulting me, without, you know, even coming and telling me I have an alternative and why he's doing this. And I knew it because जो उनके इर्द गिर्द लोग हैं उनके यूनिट में, वो उनसे ज्यादा मुझे प्यार करते हैं, you know, and they called me and told me कि ये हो रहा है. For 1 year, he did not call me, did not tell me that we've shot the climax, nothing. And I kept quiet about it. जब ये video circulate हुआ, it was obvious, मेरी भी आवाज है, he's openly saying it on camera, so of course I had to agree, you know, because Twitter पे था, किसी fan ने Twitter पे भी डाल दिया, हर एक site पे था, from Pink Villa, Filmi Gyan, में everyone had the video. And the truth was all for all to see. Anyway, मैंने सिर्फ इतना कहा कि Anil Sharma is family. Was I expecting कि जिस लड़की का आपका 27 साल का रिश्ता है, आप उनके साथ ये करोगे? बिल्कुल नहीं. और वो वीडियो में कह भी रहे कि मैं थोड़ी सकीना के साथ ये करूंगा, या अपनी सकीना ये. And I went with that, you know. Film successful, God is watching, you know. I just said, let bygones be bygones. Ultimately, whatever was the reason he did it, जो कुछ भी was his ulterior motive, I don't know. But film's legacy was Tara and Sakina, and it'll always be. Gadar minus Tara and Sakina is just a title. It's not a Gadar. So, God is there.
Yeah. Very well said. Let bygones be bygones. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इतनी मूवीज करो कि अभी और ये और पीछे bygones है. अभी री-रिलीज का era है. कहो ना प्यार री-रिलीज हो गया अभी.
Actually ये इरा गदर 1 ने स्टार्ट किया था.
गदर का री-रिलीज हो चुका है. कहो ना प्यार हो गया. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कौन सी आपकी मूवी है जो आप चाहते हो री-रिलीज हो? Gen Z लोग जाने उसको. हमराज would be a good film to re-release because इतने सारे फैंस हैं जो चाह रहे हैं कि हमराज 2 भी बने. और लोगों को इट्स अ वेरी, अगेन जैसे कहो ना प्यार है, गदर, दे आर टाइमलेस फिल्म्स. आप जब भी देखो यू फील इट्स करंट. हमराज इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स की देखो तो इट्स हनीमून ट्रैवल्स, इट्स अनदर फिल्म दैट्स वेरी रेलेवेंट, इट्स वेरी क्यूट, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. Gen Z will love it. So these are films that were ahead of its time anyway at that time.
none of the costumes, the music, the locations, the conversation, the scripting, none of it is dated. It's so relevant till today. So I think these are films that people will enjoy seeing. Even Ye Hai Jalwa with me and Salman. It's a beautiful comedy. People will love it. Again, the music is fantastic. Salman is fantastic. The comedy is fantastic. Everyone was so good in the film. So these are a couple of films I think definitely will work if they're re-released.
वो गाना
Oh Jaane Jigar.
Oh, what a song. You both एक movie करी है, but it is so special.
Hi guys, this is Amisha Patel and you're watching me on Mamarazzi. Enjoy the show. Mamarazzi.